Hello viewers, once again welcome back with a new topic, methods of valuation of goodwill part 2. The valuation of or methods of goodwill broadly categorized into two ways, that is valuation is based on the net asset method and second is valuation is based on the profitability method. Under net asset method there is no bifurcation or there is no extra types are available, only the goodwill is evaluated under net asset method is the difference between purchase price of the asset minus value of the net asset, that will give the goodwill of the company. Under the net asset method, the goodwill will be calculated the difference between the purchase value of the asset minus value of net asset. But under the valuation of goodwill under the profitability method, there are another three methods are available. One will be simple average profit method, second is weighted average profit method, third with super profit method. First we shall move with the simple average profit method. Simple average profit method. Under this method, the previous year profit and number of years are to be taken into consideration for the calculation of the simple average profits. See, under this method, to find out the value of the goodwill, before that we should find out the average profit or the simple average profit. Simple average profit will be calculated by undertaking the two factors, that is the previous year profit and number of years. Previous year profits and number of years, that will helpful to find out the simple average profit. Then after that, simple average profit is multiplied by the agreed number of years of purchase to get the value of goodwill. The average profit will be multiplied by the number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase means if ownership of the company is changed, after changing the ownership of the company, the profit of the company is same for the next years. For example, for the 10 years, maybe for the 5 years, after changing the ownership, the goodwill should be same. There should not be any changes in the profit of the company in the next preceding years. That may be for 5 years or that may be for the 10 years. That years is considered as the number of years of purchase. That means the valuation of the goodwill will be calculated on the base of the average profit method will be multiplied by the number of years of purchase. That will give the value of the goodwill of the company. The same thing I write it in the formula, that is simple average profit is equal to total profit of the given years divided by number of years. The total profit of the given years, that is the past year profit. In past year there may be the losses, there might be a loss, there might be profit or there might be a loss. If it is loss, you should deduct it from the profit and divided by the number of years. If it is a 4 year, it should be 5 years. You should know, and that will be in the problem you should know, and you write it with you divided by number of years. You will get the simple average profit. After that, find out the value of goodwill. Goodwill will be calculated with the simple average profit and number of years of purchase. Simple average profit, as we had calculated now, only simple average profit by calculation of the total profit and number of years, that is the simple average profit, into number of years of purchase, that is also given in the problem. Multiplication of these two factors will be the value of goodwill. See, you will be clearly understand by solving one problem. Let's see the very simple problem, that is the following are the profits of Darshan Company Limited for the last 5 years. The profits in the year of 2009 is 3,50,000, 2010 is 4,25,000, 2011 is 3,80,000, 2012 is 4 lakhs, 2013 is 3,95,000. And the further information is the company was decided to value the goodwill of the company last 3 years of purchase of simple average profit of the past 5 years. Compute the goodwill of the company. The first and foremost step is to find out the simple average profit. Simple average profit, the formula is here only, the profit of the given year divided by number of years. The profit of given year is 2009 is 3,50,000. 2010 is it 4,25,000, and it is in the year of 11 3,80,000, 3,80,000, and 2012 it is 4 lakh, it's 4 lakh here, and the last year it is 3,95,000, 3,95,000 divided by number of years. How many years? 5 years. See, 1 9 so 2 3 4 and 5 divided by 5. Then the total profit of 5 years will be 19,50,000 divided by number of years, it is 5. The 19,50,000 divided by 5, that is equal to 3,90,000 is our simple average profit. Then the second step is to find out the goodwill of the company. The goodwill of the company, how we will calculate? Simple average profit into number of years of purchase. Okay, value of goodwill is equal to 3,90,000 is the simple average profit, as we now calculated 3,90,000, and number of years of purchase, it is of 3 years given in the problem. 3 years purchase of simple average profit, it is 3 years of purchase. 3,90,000 into 3 years, that's equal to 11,70,000 is the value of goodwill of Darshan Company Limited. If you like this video, please like, share this video, or if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.